Yo, what's up guys, KSK ROYAL here. Welcome back to another video. So if you are using Android 10, then I bet you have explored everything in the system, but there is a one secret setting in Android 10 that you probably never come to know, which is completely hidden from the end user. Well, we know Google has a long tradition of hiding Easter eggs which is present within the operating system. It started back in 2010 with Android Gingerbread, and ever since we've been treated to at least one new Easter egg every single year. In software terminology, an Easter egg is an intentional joke which is a hidden message or a secret feature. So if your Android device is upgraded to Android 10, then there is a big new feature that Google didn't even mention, and you can access it right away. It's called a puzzle game, which is hidden within the operating system. This puzzle game is a little Easter egg, a hidden extra piece of software which is included as a joke. This game is called a nonogram, which is a style of grid-based puzzle where you need to fill colors in or leave a blank squares. Using this puzzle game, you can draw the built-in Android 10 system images and symbols. Now let's get into the main video. In order to access the Easter egg within Android 10, head over to Settings, About Phone, then tap on the Android version for a few times to begin unveiling the secret game. When you see Android 10 name here, this will let you drag and move across the screen. Now what you're going to do is convert the number 10 into an alphabet called a Q using the drag gesture. For that, at first you need to rotate the number 1 numeric literal into the shape which represents Android Q. To do so, a double tap and hold to rotate the numeric literal and put into the right position. When you have done converting the number 10 into letter Q, notice the background will start animating, and at the same time the haptic feedback will be produced. Now tap on the Android name for 7 times to reveal the Easter egg, and here you can access a secret nonogram game will be revealed. While nonograms, also known as picross or riddlers, are picture logic puzzles in which cells in a grid must be colored or left blank spaces according to numbers at the side of the grid to reveal a hidden picture. So you can draw any built-in system glyphs or symbols to find out the name of that symbol in the operating system. It's a secret game that starts on quite a high difficulty, but when you work out how to play, then it becomes incredibly logical. So that's pretty much it guys. I hope you'll learn this hidden secret game in Android 10. Thanks for watching. This has been KSK ROYAL. Peace.